So as part of the Adaptation Initiative, we put together a steering committee comprised of a diverse group of folks across the Earth Institute and beyond.
Most of the projections about greenhouse gas emissions are showing that more and more adaptation is going to be necessary. When we formed this group a couple of years ago, we knew that we would need a lot of adaptation. What we know now is we need even more.
The Adaptation Initiative is focused on three main themes or research areas. The first one is managed retreat. The second is urban adaptation. And the third is conservation and human development.
Well, there's so many aspects to adaptation. You really have to ask the question of adaptation of what to what.
One of the challenges for the Adaptation Initiative is precisely to narrow down, even within those three broad areas, to specific actions and research agendas that we can perhaps submit proposals for and garner additional support.
The steering committee is putting into motion a lot of activity around campus that will touch undergraduates, graduate students, the public at large, faculty from different departments, and engage those communities in a common interest area through all kinds of different modes of interaction.
What we're looking for from this steering group is an interdisciplinary approach. So we want to have not just climate scientists like myself, but people who bring a legal perspective, business perspective, design, a whole diverse set of areas where Columbia has expertise.
I'm very excited about it because I think that there has not to date been a unifying program across which all the centers of the Earth Institute can come together and really work as one on one particular problem set.
The feedback from multiple members of the steering committee having expertise in areas beyond my field is absolutely critical.
It's not that common that a multitude of perspectives gets a chance to interact.
You know, everybody around the table said, "Ooh, well, here's some thoughts for my discipline," and it's really a very rich, I think, intellectually rich community of people interested in similar issues coming from so many different perspectives.
Interdisciplinary discussions in the steering committee are very helpful to me to hear from engineers and climate scientists and urban planners and people with all kinds of different backgrounds, hear how they approach these issues and bring insights to bear that I might not otherwise have heard.
It's a complex problem with a lot of uncertainties involved, but as far as the collaboration with other members of the steering committee, so far I have been truly impressed with their willingness to work together.
This committee actually seems quite action-oriented, and we really are moving things forward.
By all of us getting together, we can refine what are the key questions in adaptation, what are the exciting science research topics, but also where is the demand, where does the public need more information as they make key decisions in a changing planet.